my inky friends, it's Cindy Lynn with my Inky Fingers. Thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel and blog for a frightfully fun unboxing. I have some non-frightfully fun things, but then I've got some frightfully fun things. And some frightfully fun ideas. That's a lot of frightfulies going on, but nevertheless, let's start with my ribbon. If you watched my recent Stamp and Scoop, I showed you guys how to do an amazing ribbon. Now you want to look at the link in the description or up above here for that. But this ribbon here, the new in colors, and I'm not really a fan of the in colors, but I am a fan of these ribbons. So I will, the bows, if you will. So I will definitely be using these. And these are just the open weave ribbon. That's what I was looking for. Thank you. So I got the last three that I hadn't had yet. So I'm super excited about that. And of course, I am going through these 2023, 2022, 21, 23, whatever in color gems. I am going through these like candy. I think this has to be about my fourth one by now. Timber. Have you guys seen this embossed in gold foil, OMG, or silver foil? It is so, so pretty. And that's kind of what drove me to pick it up. I wasn't going to, and then I saw it embossed on some foil cardstock and I absolutely fell in love with it. So what do I want to show you guys? Okay, let me show you guys these things. I got the free celebration backgrounds, textures, frames, whatnot, because I like this little splatter here, of course, being the splatter queen, right? And some of these other little background thingies, and it was free. I figured, why not? I'll add it to my stash. I got the gorgeous leaves stamps. Now, I got it because of the backgrounds, and I really like these leaves, but I love these here. I didn't get the dies. I haven't decided if I'm mad at myself for not getting the dies or if I'm okay with not getting the dies. So don't be surprised if you see the dies show up later. But for now, I haven't decided. I was looking at them this morning because I'm getting my order ready for next month. And I'm like, but I've already got a ton of other stuff. So I did pick up the gorgeous leaves, and these are in the cling, which I love. So I'm super excited about this. I want to show you guys some techniques to really make your leaves come to life on your fall cards. Joyful Life, I mean, they're cute little critters, right? And you know, I finally pulled the plug and I got the picture this. I got the picture this die. I was going to say die set, but it's a die. But nevertheless, I got it because in the catalog, of course, it's featured that way. But they are kind of cute. And this little guy here, I mean, oh, Dad would just love that. So I had to pick that up. I had to add it to my stash. Now, for some frightfully fun stuff. Actually, really quick, before I do that, I picked up the Beauty of Tomorrow to add to the choice stamps for the Stampin' Chat draw. If you're not a channel member, definitely look down below, join this channel, choose what you like. Inky Friend, Inky Bestie. It gets you, Inky Friend gets you all the Stampin' Chats each month that you are a member. Inky Bestie gets you the Stampin' Chat and the class. So you definitely don't want to miss out on those. And we always draw for a free stamp set in the Stampin' Chat. So you will have a choice between those two. Now, for our frightfully fun stuff, I just did a class, you guys, and I was talking about, I had picked these here tombstone, so that's why they're open, because I opened them in my class. But, and I have to tell you guys, when you get these, thank you to my class members, because when you get them, one is a little smaller than the other. So this was me. I pulled out two of these and I'm looking through them all and I'm like, they're all the same. How are you going to fit two exact pieces like this, one in the other? Well, sometimes I'm not the brightest bulb on the string. So thank goodness for my awesome class members, because they were like, Cindy Lynn, one is bigger than the other. However, somebody else also mentioned they saw one of the demos do a window box, and I happened to notice in my catalog this morning, there's a window done here. So it got me thinking, I want to show you, they used the seasonal labels dies here, and I'm a bad girl. I haven't even mounted these on my magnets yet, but this here die fits perfect in there. And I'm sure there's a bunch of other dies that you guys can use. I don't know that I'm going to use that one, but I also got the Frightfully Cute set. This is going to be part of the Stampin' Live Stampin' Up class next month, but I'll get to that in a second. But I thought, wouldn't these be the cute, I have to show you over here. Wouldn't this just be like, or even like, you know, a little scene or a little banner thingy? But I got thinking about putting a hole in each side, okay? Because if you put them close enough together, right, you wouldn't see if you string some of those fairy lights. And even if you see the fairy lights going from one to the next, who cares? I think they're a little bit too narrow to put in one of those tea lights, but with the little window, put some fairy lights through them and make a little scene. And I thought I could do like Rip, you know, Cindy Lynn, Rip Todd, Rip Bella, you know, Mika and Gizmo, but I thought it'd be really cute. And you could even put some like little things in the windows. Like I could use the witch for me, or maybe I'll use the witch for Bella, because she is a little bit of a witch sometimes. And then you got the little potions, the bat, the cat. I mean, if you had a kitty cat, oh my gosh, you're like already there. The spider, the little, I guess that's the little cauldron bubbles, if you will. Or you could do the little sentiments. But I thought, wouldn't that be so stinking cute? So let me know in the comments below if you want to see me do this in a live Thursday night video, or if you want to see a video about it, or, you know, let me know your ideas. Hammer me with your ideas down in the comments, okay? Because I'm excited about those. I mean, they're cute to give out for treats, don't get me wrong. And if you can afford it, by all means, buy these up, put your treats in them, give them out to the kids. But for the price, I'm going to be totally honest, that's a little rich for my blood, because we're going to be giving out probably, I think I'm going to do 100 treats this year, which leads me to my class for next month. Now, before you run away, if you don't give out candy, that's totally okay, because I can pretty much put money on the fact that you have a grandchild, a child, a niece or nephew, you know, children, okay? And you could always make up these little treat bags, give them to your neighbors, give them to the kids you know, or take them to work, give them to the girls and guys at work. There's always someone to give some treat bags out to. And if you don't make Halloween cards, that's totally okay too, because there's only going to be one Halloween card with the treats. But I promise you'll find someone to give them away to. And as a matter of fact, I am going to launch a Inky Friend card exchange for Halloween. So if you need someone to give a Halloween card to, click the link down below, run over, don't walk, run, trample on everybody, and join my Facebook group and watch for that to come up. So I didn't just pick this up. This was part of my paper share, but for the class, you'll probably want a full pack of the cute Halloween paper and the Frightfully Cute set with the dies, because shut the front door. These are so stinking cute. And you know what? This little die here would also work right there in your little tombstone, right? I mean, so stinking cute. The little, I love the cobwebs. I was really hoping for a ghost, but Stampin' Up covered us somewhere else for that, so I'll get to that. But we're going to use these, and I haven't quite decided how we're going to do the toppers, but I'm going to give you guys a choice in the class. You can either A, pick up the gusset bags, and these are what they look like. We'll probably cut these a little because they're probably a little long. That's an awful lot of candy to put in one little baggie. But if you don't want to use those, that's totally fine, because you know what? The dollar store has a ton of different, and thing is, I could only find the little zipper bags, so what I did, I cut the zippers off. I mean, I did, or the zip blocks, if you will. I cut them off because these will make super cute little treat bags. So I don't know if we're going to do a fold over topper or if we're going to like bunch it closed and then do a tag. I haven't quite decided that, but we'll have some cute little treats to give away in the class, or to give away, and then I'll come up with like a really cute card or two, okay, depending on, because it's only 2 hours. I don't want to keep you guys there all day, right? So that there bundle, definitely going to be part of the bundle for the Stampin' Up Live class. If you're in Canada, you can purchase the class kit from me and you get the class for free, or you can head over to my website and you can register that way, or again, join the channel. Cutest Halloween. There is our little ghost. Now, as Stampin' Up always does, they coordinated the punch with some of the paper. So let me open this up. This little ghost here, I mean, come on. Now, obviously, you're going to cut him out first and then punch him. And if you've got a little teeny piece of paper, like, let me show you here. Let yeah, I'll just do this one just to show you guys. So you want to cut this out because you don't want to waste all of, like, this guy is really cute, right? So you don't want to waste him. So what you're going to do, just get it in there a little bit. Here we go. Keeping them all in there. So you just kind of manipulate it a little bit. It takes an extra second, but you know what? The extra second that it's going to take you here is time you saved from stamping it, right? So it's a little bit tricky to get them in there, but you're not wasting all of that precious designer series paper. And I've almost got them where I want them, but I'm fussy, so I'm going to move them over just a tad, and bam, there we go. Look how cute he is. Now, if you have like a Brother Scan and Cut like I do, and you have a love-hate relationship with it, you're more than welcome to try that. But I still haven't decided whether I like that machine or not. So that was a lot quicker for me. And it is right there, and it is easy for me to use it, or it's easy for me to have the notion to use it. Let's say that. It's not always easy for me to use it. Now, before I pull that away, let's actually talk about the stamps. Okay. Cutest Halloween. I love the little sentiments in here, and I love these little mix and match builder type things because it allows you, you know me and my faces, if they're not cute. I mean, look at that little cute, oh my gosh, what is he, a seal? He looks like a little seal. I don't know how he's going to match in here. Maybe that's their impression of the kitty cat, but he looks like a cute little seal. You could actually use him on a balloon punch. You could use any of these little faces on a balloon and do your little birthday and whatnot. This is totally interchangeable, but I suppose it's a kitty cat. The little ghost, so cute, and the little jack-o'-lantern guy, they're all so stinking cute. I mean, and look at, they even did the little ear parts for the insides. Cindy Lynn, I'm so proud of you. You know pretty much what everything is in here. Usually I don't. Usually you guys have to help me, but I really like that. I like the sentiments and I like the stamps. So those are frightfully adorable. So that was pretty much all I had in this unboxing. This one was basically just to order a whole bunch of extra paper for the designer series paper share. I have 1 or 2 left. If you want in that designer series paper share, it all comes like this in these awesome little 6x6 baggies, one of everything, including the Halloween paper. And I have the ribbon share, and those come adorably individually wrapped in their own little baggies, so resealable, and you've got a little bit of it all. If you're in Canada, feel free to click the link down below for the designer series paper share. I'll make sure I link it. And that was it. So let me know what your ideas are on those their tombstones, whether you want to see it in a live video or whether you just want me to do the video and edit it all up and tie it in a nice little bow for you guys. So until I see you guys again, take care and happy stamping!